Going on YouTube? It's time for another one. Welcome back to the channel. First thing before we get into any of this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for them notifications. But yeah. Well, right now we in right off of 78 at Berman Freightliner and Western Star. Like in the caption, like in the title, got another beautiful load, paying $1,900 to go like 370 miles. But that ain't even the best part. It's going to West Virginia, Fair, whatever, West Virginia. Coming out of New Jersey, I believe. Yeah, New Jersey. But the best part is that motherfucker weighs 5,000 pounds. I don't know why I got so lucky, but look at the Explorer and stuff. But I love these loads. I fucking love these loads. They wanted $1,800 for it on the load board, $1,700. I rounded it up to $2,000. They met me at $1,900. Said, let's get it. At first, it started off a two pickup, one drop. And then they called me back and said the second pickup canceled. So then it was just one. They hit me with another load that was one pick, one drop, and I was like, you're gonna keep me at the same rate and I'll take it. And they kept me at the same rate, 375 miles. I'm going to West Virginia. But like I said, $1,900, great, but 5,000 pounds. And when I first got into trucking, I didn't give a fuck. I was like, hey, put it on the truck and let's go. I didn't give a shit about weight or nothing like that. When you get into trucking and you out there a little bit, you gonna care about that weight, trust me. Cause that weight is all the wear and tear on that truck. I was picking up, as you guys know, I used to love them Poland Spring loads. And I just did a Poland Spring load before this load. But before that, it's been 2 weeks since I did a Poland Spring load, because I just been finding loads. I live in Mass, so I just been finding loads in my area for some strange reason. Usually it's never like that. I always have to go to Maine to find a good load that's paying me $1,500 to get out of that area. But I've been finding good loads coming out of my area, so I've been not having to pick up the Poland Spring loads. And what I've noticed is those loads that, even those 20,000, 30,000 pound loads, your fuel economy is just crazy better. Like, and it's just, you can feel it when you're traveling. I'm just not with picking up those 45,000 pound loads like I used to. Like, I used to live off those Poland Spring heavy loads. And then I had a conversation with my old boss at Independent Coal, and he was telling me, you're doing all that heavy stuff. And I remember when I used to work for him, I was doing reefer, and we used to pick up light ass loads, freaking 4 pallets going all the way to New Jersey, some shit like that from Mass. I'm on that shit now. I could feel how much my truck loves those light loads. You could feel the difference. You're not fucking high revving to get at these gears and stuff. You can short rev, waste, just saving fuel, But yes, where the fuck DR? Oh, there she is. But yes, I just want to make this video short and sweet. But $1,900 for 375 miles, but 5,000 pounds. Like, beautiful load. And this is my second load of the week so far, because I picked up a load on Friday. It didn't drop off till Monday, so this morning. So I left early Sunday, so that by the time I got to the drop off in New York, and I took my 10-hour break right at the BJ's, so that Monday morning I could get another load in. It's all about that money. So I'm already on my second load, and it's Monday. My first load was $1,700, and this one's $1,900. You do the math. And it's Monday already. So it is what it is. But I'm out of here, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'll hit you on the next video. Me and DR are out. I didn't even tell you what the fuck I'm doing here. So since this load is gonna be done early, I'm only got 200 more miles till I'm there. I'll be there by like 6, 8 tonight. It's not due until 7 in the morning tomorrow. I was just passing this passing this Berman's Freightliner and Western Star off of 78 in Pennsylvania. So I was like, you know what? I needed some shit. I needed a cruise control switch, and I needed all the oil parts, oil filters. I'm not getting my oil here, obviously, and a fuel filter, coolant filter, and some shit. So I figured might as well come see what the fuck they got. So that's what I'm doing here. Truck's over there just chilling, idling. Me and Dio are about to go inside, see what the fuck they got for us. But we out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell your friends about me. Check you on the next one. Peace.